Be ready. Start. For the better part of his long stint as Bihar Chief Minister, the sobriquet Subhasan Babu seemed well earned for Nitish Kumar. Women's welfare schemes, better roads, improvement in law and order, and increased access to the electricity are testaments to his governance successes. In the past 5 years, however, shelter home abuse cases, encephalitis deaths, and mishandling of the problems of the flood affected have taken away much of the sheen of Kumar's record. The state's recent success in providing tap water to the poor, the Har Ghar Nalka Jal project scheme, which has covered 95% of its target, could have gone a long way in repositioning good governance as the Bihar administration's centerpiece. However, a 4 month long investigation by this newspaper has revealed glaring irregularities in the implementation of the scheme. The Nitish Kumar government's largest welfare initiative in terms of scale and reach, the beneficiaries of political patronage involved in the scheme are long. However, those who have manipulated due procedures to corner contracts for infrastructural facilities under the project are members of Deputy Chief Minister Prasad's family, a nephew of an ex-minister, and a long list of VIP contractors. What makes this unseemly spectacle even more sordid is that Prasad had chosen to brazen out the charges of cronyism. We are in business. Should we not do it? He told this newspaper. Har Ghar Nalka Jal started out as a poll promise by Janata Dal in 2015. Launched a year later, the scheme has provided more than 150 lakh tap water connections, changing lives for the better in villages that were dependent on the declining water table. But a tap water connection hasn't always ensured supplies. Last mile delivery failures, such as the lack of electricity connection to pump water from borewells to tanks, have deprived the project from reaching all its intended beneficiaries. This, of course, is a familiar failing of several social sector projects in the country, especially water supply schemes. But in Bihar, the possibilities of corruption were built into the bidding process of the stage's flagship water supply project. The system did not have a way to check dummy competitors and gave ample opportunities to privileged players to game the bidding process. Given that contracts have been given for 5 years, the possibility of issues related to infrastructure maintenance dodging the scheme in the future cannot be ruled out. Para. Bihar has a history of people's health being affected because of using groundwater contaminated with arsenic and fluoride. The state call ill afford the Har Ghar Nal Kajal project to go wrong. The Bihar government has promised an investigation in the wake of this newspaper's investigation. It must hold the culprits to account. More importantly, the Nitish Kumar government must also address the systematic failures that fostered corruption in the first place. Para. Stop.